code to check MTN number. So all that you have to do is to simply come down here to where we have the call button, then come and then press on it. So what you have to do next is to simply come and then tap on the key button just like this one, and then come and then press the short code, which is first thing is the star. Okay, so just press on the star. After pressing on the star, simply come and then press on the 1. Okay, so after pressing on the 1, come and then press on the 5, and then come and then press on the 6. Okay, so after pressing on the 6, simply come down and come and press on the hashtag. Okay, so after pressing on the hashtag, come down here, then come and select the SIM slot where your MTN is located. Mine is on slot 1, so I'm going to select slot 1. Then I simply come and then press on it. Okay, so when you press on it, they are going to ask you, what do you really want to do? We want to check our MTN number, so we are going to select option 1. Okay, so simply come and then put in 1 here by pressing on 1 on your phone, and then come and then press on the send by tapping it. Okay, and then you see that your MTN number is going to be displayed just like this one. So this is how to know exactly your MTN number. All that you have to do is to simply like the video, and then see you in my next video.